Hello and welcome. Hello and welcome. In this very quick video, I'm going to show those people who are unfamiliar with Google and Google Drive how to access it and how to download and very quickly edit documents using Google Drive. So I have our link here. So this is a Google Drive document, and this will be the format that all of the information that I provide you will be in. And you'll notice here at the end it says the word sharing. So we're going to copy that link. We're going to come to Google. If you haven't got a Google account, then you'll need a Google account. So sign up for a Google account. And then at the top right, hopefully you'll be able to see this, there are 9 dots. Click on the 9 dots and it'll open up the Google Apps. And in the top of the list of apps will be Google Drive. And so we need to click on Google Drive, and that will take you to the basically your back office of Google Drive. And this is where you're going to store and work all of your documents. Now, if you haven't used it before, it'll look like this, completely blank. And what we now need to do is come up to the top, and we will paste in that link that we had and click enter. And what it will do, it will open up that particular document. Now, if there is a folder link that's been shared with you, what it will do, it will open up the folder and the list of all the documents that are in that folder. Now, the first thing that you need to understand is that once something's been shared with you, there is absolutely nothing that you can do with that document. Okay, it won't let you type or add anything to that document. So once you've accepted, or basically once you've got to this stage, you then need to go back to your Google Drive, and you'll see that this is the document that we've just opened. Now this is within the Shared Me section. So if we click on Shared Me, it's here. Now, like I say, there's nothing that we can do with that document. So should we want to edit that document, then you need to come over to the far side here, where it's got 4 dots in a row here. Click on those dots and it'll open up this box, and you want to basically make a copy. So click on Make a Copy. And then what Google Drive will do is effectively make a copy. We need to refresh the screen, and you can see now we have the original, which was emails ideas, and now we have copy of emails ideas. And if we double click on that, it now opens that particular copied version up into the editing suite. Now, I'm not going to go into any great detail of how to use the editing suite in this video. All you need to know is that that is how you can now add your own bits of information. You can add all sorts of details to that document. So effectively, that is how we are now going to be able to edit all of the documents that the white label documents that you upload during using this system.